Your body has factory-installed embarrassment features you cannot turn off, sealed in the firmware, designed to activate in the most inconvenient possible moment: the quiet office, the first date, the wedding toast. Here are 5. You're in a quiet meeting, the room goes silent. Your stomach announces itself like a wounded animal. The technical term is borborygmy. The mechanism is the migrating motor complex, housekeeping that runs every 90 minutes between meals. It contracts the empty stomach, pushes around the leftover air and fluid, and amplifies the sound through the hollow chamber. Your stomach is not hungry, your stomach is bored, and it is sweeping the floor while everyone watches. Hiccups are not a current feature, hiccups are a leftover. The leading theory: when your fish ancestors evolved into amphibians, they needed a reflex to switch between gill-breathing and lung-breathing. Glottis snaps shut, diaphragm spasms, air gets cut off. That reflex stayed in the wiring for 370 million years. You inherited the firmware. Every hiccup is your body running gill-breathing code on lungs it never asked for. Your great-great-grandfather was a tadpole. Your diaphragm hasn't gotten the memo. You hear a recording of yourself for the first time. The voice is wrong. That's not what you sound like. Except it is. Your voice reaches your ears 2 ways: through the air, like everyone else hears, and through your skull bones. Bone conduction adds bass. Your brain mixes both signals every time you speak. Recordings only capture the air channel, no bass. That's the real you. Everyone has been listening to the recorded version your whole life. You're embarrassed. Blood vessels in your face dilate without consulting you. Your cheeks turn red. The harder you try to stop, the worse it gets. Humans are the only species that blushes. The face has unique blood vessels, wider, closer to the surface, hyper-responsive to social emotion. Your body has evolved a specific signal to tell everyone in the room you're flustered. It's involuntary. It's exclusive to humans. It's a built-in confession. You feel a sneeze coming. Your face contorts. Your eyes slam shut. Your shoulders jerk. Your entire face becomes someone else's face for a second. You cannot stop any of it. The trigeminal nerve handles the sneeze trigger. The facial nerve handles your eye muscles. They're packed close together in the brainstem, and the signals cross-talk like a leaky wire. Eyelids weren't asked, the whole face follows. Then you apologize to whoever is nearby. Your body is running ancient code, leaky wiring, and housekeeping cycles. Every embarrassing moment is the firmware doing exactly what it was designed to do. None of it was your idea.